It was Warren Buffett who said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And unless you truly love what you do, who wants to work until they die?" According to some of the latest statistics, 85% of Americans hate their job. That is about 8 out of every 10 people. So the next time that you're walking through the grocery store, even if they look happy at the time, about 8 out of every 10 employees you see would rather not be working there. And the statistics are probably closer to 10 out of 10 for Walmart employees. But jokes aside, the amount of people who would rather not go to their job every day is staggering. But we have to work a job until we die, right? Isn't that what we're programmed to do? Wouldn't it be nice if you could just make money while you sleep, or while you're eating, or even while you're exploring the pyramids of Egypt? The reality is that today, anyone can make a lot of money while they sleep. But first, you have to understand something that only a small percentage of people know. The problem is with the traditional job. The average person walks into work and clicks a little button on a computer to clock in, and surprise, they only make money while that little clock is running. How ridiculous is that? Enormous amounts of money are accumulated by the rich and successful every second of the day. So why would anyone want to click a little button that effectively limits when they're able to make money? When you consider the fact that most employees aren't even paid an hourly wage that they can live on, it makes even less sense. According to statistics, for the first time in 130 years, young people between the ages of 18 and 34 are more likely to live with their parents. Because unless you pitch a tent somewhere, it is almost impossible to afford your own place. So how do you opt out of this way of living? Before I knew better, I used to think that being an employee was the only way. I thought that bagging groceries and pumping gas was all life had in store for me. Imagine a goldfish inside of a bowl. The goldfish was born and raised in the bowl. All he sees every day is walls and a little log. So he thinks that that's all there is. Little does he know, there is an entire ocean out there. In fact, since his home is right on the beach, this entirely new way of life is quite literally within walking distance. Just because he can't see it doesn't mean that it's not there. And it's the same thing for money. Just because you can't see yourself making thousands of dollars while you sleep right now doesn't mean that you can't be doing exactly that by this time next year. But the real question is how? To make money while you sleep, you must first understand how it works. When I press the gas pedal in my car, a turbocharger forces air into the engine and makes it go fast. Now imagine I want my car to go even faster than it was designed to go from the factory. I can go out there and press the gas pedal all day long, but if I don't understand what's going on under the hood, I will always fail to make it go faster than the factory settings allow. Making money while you sleep is only possible because of a system. For non-internet businesses like McDonald's, this system is employees and managers. Since they run the store while the owner sleeps, he is able to make money while he's not there. For an internet-based business, you don't even need employees, but you do need a platform that acts like employees. YouTube is a platform. The Google search engine is a platform. iTunes is a platform. It's really simple. In the case of YouTube, my product is videos. The people who watch my videos are the customers. And YouTube is like a massive team of employees in a giant mall, all in one, all working together to deliver my product to customers. And it does this while I'm sleeping, vacationing, or best of all, while I'm working on building other businesses. In fact, the system is finely tuned so well that there is no need for employees or much of anything. I just focus on making videos that help people improve their life, and YouTube handles the delivery, the payment, and everything else. Therefore, to make money while you sleep, you need to use a platform like YouTube or a website that makes all of this possible. But this only works if the customers are already on the platform. Every day, 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube. Every day, billions of people use Google to search for entertainment, education, or products. There are other platforms, but these two are by far the largest, and they're ideal if you can offer education or entertainment as your product. Making money while you sleep is as simple as finding a platform that delivers your products to customers every second of every day, no matter what you're doing. A famous quote once said, "To get rich, you have to be making money while you sleep." So now that you understand how it works, the only question is, which platform will you choose? And with that said, until next time, thanks for watching.